And welcome to today's video. Happy Friday. It is been a little bit hotter these last couple of days, and with that comes why I picked today's project or recipe. So we are making ice pops, and the reason that I thought of that was because a few days ago when it was super hot, I didn't have ice cream in the freezer, I didn't have anything, and I needed something cool to just feel refreshed and cooled off. And so I thought, hey, why didn't I freeze some ice pops? Why didn't I make some ice pops with some of the juice that I had, and I could have had a refreshing snack. So stay tuned. We're gonna be making ice pops made out of in ice cube trays with really simple ingredients. You don't really have to cook anything. If you want to make it more special, you can add a little fruit to the ice pops, but that's about it. So hope you stay tuned. As always, we thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and here we go. So for today's ingredients, we're going to need an ice cube tray, aluminum foil or plastic wrap, some juice, any kind, sports drink, whatever you prefer, and some toothpicks. And of course, a freezer. Now let's get started. So we are going to start off with our ice cube tray. Any size, any shape that you have, some toothpicks that we'll be needing later. I'm going to use a measuring cup to pour my juice. I do have some pourable orange juice, but I don't want that one. I have these little juice packs that have some berry juice that I would like to try for this one. So I just went ahead and cut the top off and are pouring them into my measuring cup, so I am able to pour them a little bit easier onto my ice cube tray. In this instance, you could also add some fruit in there. You could have done half and half and done a different flavor on the other side of the ice cube tray. You can do 2 ice cube trays depending. You could put sports drinks. I'm gonna open another one of these juice boxes or juice baggies to fill up the rest of my ice cube tray. I'm super excited for my ice pops. I know these are gonna take a little while to freeze, so I'm doing them pretty early in the morning, so that way in the afternoon when it starts getting warmer, I have some ice pops. So I'm gonna just make sure that our juice is distributed evenly so that all our ice pops, our ice cube pops, are about the same size. So if we try to put our toothpick now, that's what it would do, it would just float there. So the reason that we either add aluminum foil or plastic wrap is so that our toothpick stays in place and we actually have a little handle for our ice pop. So that is exactly why I decided today to use aluminum foil, because that's what I have. And even though you can't really see through the aluminum foil, you can kind of press down enough to then be able to see the little ice cube shapes and are able to put your toothpick right at the center. So I have 7 on each side, so I'm going to need 14 toothpicks, and the aluminum foil just helps hold the toothpick in place. See? I'm just going to do that for every single one of our ice pops. Now that every one of the toothpicks is in place, we are going to put it in our freezer. So we have it in our freezer, and we'll check on it in a little bit. Alrighty, so our ice cube pops have been in the freezer for about 3 hours. Now we're going to see the results. Alright, some of them kind of stuck to the foil, but that is not a big deal. They look so good. We're going to take one of these out and see. It is an ice cube pop. So excited to eat this. It's going to be so yummy.